Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So today we're going to do a nice recipe, a pepperoni style beef jerky, okay? So a nice pepperoni. Who doesn't like pepperoni? Who doesn't like pizza, right? Hey, this body was built on pepperoni pizza. So guys, let's get started here. We got top ground beef today. We're going to use 2 pounds of Black Angus top ground beef. So this is what we're looking like, guys. Some nice Black Angus top ground. So there's a lot of ingredients to this recipe, okay? So I'm gonna go through these ingredients, guys. We got our Kikkoman soy sauce. You know I like to use my Kikkoman soy sauce. We're gonna use some ketchup to give it a nice, little bit of a tomato flavor. Some Worcestershire to give it a little kick. We gotta have our ingredients for, you know, like a pizza type sauce. Our oregano and our parsley and things like that, okay? We're also gonna use some garlic, granulated garlic, a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna use some white sugar this time. In this recipe, and we're going to use some paprika, guys, okay? So, guys, I'm going to get started. We got a lot to do here. This looks like a lot of work right here, but we're going to buzz through this real quick, okay? We're going to mix this up, show you what it looks like, and then, again, as always, refer to my part 2 videos to get the cooking procedures for the oven and then into the dehydrator, okay, guys? So, here we go, guys. Pepperoni beef jerky, whole muscle beef jerky here, guys. Let's get started. We're going to start with our soy sauce, my friends. We got a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Okay. 1/2 cup. Now, if you watch my videos, you know I use the 1/2 cup of soy sauce to give it a 3-month shelf life. That's the formula for that. Okay, 3-month shelf life, 48 hours for the cure. Okay, so now we're going to use some of this pepperoni seasoning. And I got this from the Great American Spice Company, guys. And actually, they're trying to get our business here at the Fat Yankee, so they sent me some free stuff as well. They sell some pink salt there, or sodium nitrate there as well. So we're going to check that out. We're going to use some of the other spices that they sent us too and try those out. But for the pepperoni jerky, guys, ooh, it smells good. We're going to use 1/3 of a cup of this pepperoni seasoning, okay? So this is going to give it this nice pepperoni flavor that we're looking for, and let me tell you, I'm very interested to try this pepperoni seasoning. Now, this is the first time I've made this recipe, okay? So we're both going to try this together. Now, if this recipe, if you hear me mention it and I mention that it's not good, well, that means I'm not going to post it. So if you're seeing this video, you know it came out fantastic, okay, guys? So let's give this pepperoni spice a shot and try some pepperoni beef jerky, guys, here. I hope we both love it, and again, I hope you see this video. So we're going to get into our other spices here. We're going to use some oregano. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of oregano. Not too crazy heaping tablespoons, guys, just level tablespoons of oregano. Okay, ooh, I love the smell of oregano, especially in a nice tomato sauce, okay? So now we got our ketchup, all right? Ketchup, we are going to use on this recipe 1/2 cup of ketchup. All right? Now you'll know I use ketchup in some of my other recipes, especially when I make my scratch-made barbecue sauce with apple cider vinegar and all those good stuff. You got to try that barbecue recipe out as well. All right, so we got our 1/2 cup of ketchup in there. We're going to use some white sugar. I use 4 tablespoons of white sugar in this to give it a sweetness. 1, just like we do in fresh tomato sauce, right? 2, 3, and again, not heaping, but 4. Okay, so that's going to sweeten up, go against the spice a little bit in here, guys. So we've got our white sugar in here. We're going to add a tablespoon of black pepper. Not a heaping tablespoon, level tablespoon, black pepper. Teaspoon of paprika. Nice teaspoon of paprika. Alright. Ooh, I like a little bit more than that. That was a little bit of a weak teaspoon, okay? So 1 teaspoon of paprika is in there, okay? Okay, 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic. You gotta have the garlic. 2 tablespoons. nice level tablespoons of granulated garlic. We're almost there, we're almost there. Stick with me. Wake up, guys. Don't fall asleep on me, okay? Well, we gotta have some fresh parsley. Some dried parsley here. Excuse me, not the fresh stuff. This is just dried parsley. 1 tablespoon of parsley. Last but not least, look at all those colors in there too, by the way. Last but not least, we're gonna add some Worcestershire. 1/3 of a cup of Worcestershire. Oh, let me grab my 1/3 of a cup. Rinse that out. And this is it. 1/3 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. There we go. We're all done with that, so we'll put that there. Okay, guys. Everybody is swimming in the pool. All right? So let's get this shaken up. Pepperoni beef jerky. Now, this is my first time, as I mentioned, making this recipe. So if you're seeing this video, it came out really good. As I don't like to put just the mediocre ones out there. I like to make sure they're real good. Let's mix this up, guys. Man, I tell you what, there's some nice looking colors in this here. And this, again, guys, oh, this is going to marinate for 48 hours. Whew, my goodness. Man, this smells like a pizza. Pizza beef, right? Pizza beef, baby. Pizza beef jerky. This is out of control. Man, this is actually, I think I'm going to really like this one, and I think you guys are going to happen to see this video. Right? All right. Here we go. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I really wish you could smell it. Guys, pizza beef jerky. All right? Listen, we got some great videos coming out, some videos of jerky that I've made before. We're going to do some fragmented buffalo that I've made before, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to do a Cajun gator for you guys, which is absolutely fantastic, my friends. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video. This is the Fat Yankee, baby. We'll see you in the next video.